mentioned organizing your team around these strategies. Are there any specifics that have helped you to do that?
Yeah, one of the things we do is we have so in addition to a sort of solution strategy team and a product marketing team, which are the teams I lead, we also have built out market analytics teams who do broader market analytics. And we work my function works very, very closely with the broader marketing organization around brand messaging and story, around thought leadership, and around the demand generation engines. And again, the really powerful, really effective marketing functions that I've seen operate work well because they connect all of those pieces together. So you organize your teams around reinforcing each other's work, not simply operating in silos. So in other words, if I'm building the core story of who iSolved as a business is all about, again, let's help HR be effective and more data driven and all the good things that they want to hear. Then we feed that into, let's connect that to the brand story of who iSolved is and why we exist. And let's bring those things together and connect them with the demand generation team so that we can continue that conversation of, okay, here's the sort of the broader brand story, here's the customer story, here are the things that you should build from a content perspective and the places where you should be placing that content in order to engage them. And then, of course, the demand generation professionals are great at building engines of communication, both from the point of view of driving that information out, but also understanding as people interact with it and bring it back in. And you continue to iterate. You learn what is working, what's improving, what areas can we do more of, what should we do less of, and all of those continue to be fed by that fundamental understanding of who the customer is and what's driving them. What do they care about?
Supercharge your sales pipeline with InsightUp. With our InCapture platform driven by predictive AI and our expert team, we deliver pipeline to spend ratios exceeding 7x. Let us be your partner in achieving rapid pipeline growth. Visit www.insightUp.com. Let us meet to schedule a meeting.